check it out. Sit tight, back paddle. Yeah, she drops a bit here. Big rocks. Okay, right side, right side. You want to go around? Just wait for me. Just wait forward, let your boat hit the rocks. Paddle, paddle. Paddle. Paddle, paddle. Keep going, keep going. Try and eddy out. It's on. Paddle. Paddle, paddle. Keep paddling right through. Wait, paddle, paddle. Wait forward, wait forward. Nice. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Well done. Paddle up river. You got it. Fuck, all right. Yeah. You can do it again. No, well, you'd have to have a beater. It's probably a 3-foot drop in elevation. Well done. A little disappointed, but well done. So all you've done now is push your confidence to a place it shouldn't be. That's why you're back, baby. Any words? You gotta yell it a bit.